In this problem, we're being asked to write an equation in slope-intercept form and then graph a line for which we're just given the slope and the y-intercept. So we're not being told what the equation is. We have to come up with that, and then we have to graph the line. Well, that shouldn't be too hard if you remember that slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, and the y-intercept is b, and the slope is m. So if we just substitute those values in, we're going to get y equals negative 8 times x plus 9. So that's the equation for the line. To graph this is not too hard either. I would start with plotting the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 9. That means it crosses this y-axis at positive 9. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 right there. And then we can plot the next points by applying the slope. You should remember that the slope is the rise over the run. That is how much it goes up over how much it goes over to the right. We have a negative whole number here. First, we should write that as a fraction just so we don't get confused. Any number is itself over 1. So this is negative 8 over 1. So our rise is negative 8. That means that's how many spaces it goes down because of the negative part. And the run is 1. So I'm going to go over to the right 1 and down 8 each time to plot a new point. So let's go over to the right 1 and then down 8. That takes me right there. And I can do that again. Might as well do a third point just to check. Over 1 and down 2, 4, 6, 8. All right. Once we've got those points plotted, we can just sketch our line through them. And there we go. So that is how to write an equation and draw a graph for a line when you're just given a slope and a y-intercept.